Greetings, students, coming to you from a very cold and snowy Kirkland. Not really, but the snow did fall today, and there may be snow in the next couple days. And I just want to remind you that if you are taking on-ground classes, your teachers might be posting things on Canvas, posting assignments, discussions, quizzes on Canvas if the campus is closed, if the snow is too bad and the roads are icy. So definitely check your Canvas classes at least 5 times a week, no matter what, but especially if we have school closings. So I want to say that we are approaching the middle of the quarter. And I hope that that means that, you've had a good start in our classes so far. And I want to make sure that you are comfortable checking your grades and reading the comments that I'm leaving for you, whether they're just as comments or as a rubric. And I wanted to take today to show you the process for doing that. And I know some of you are very comfortable doing that, but here is a quick review. When you open up your class and you're on the home page and you see grades, you might see a number over here. That means that is how many new grades or comments you have. So you want to click on grades and see what's going on. Oh my gosh, look at, I have all these missing assignments. Oops. So but I do see here that I have a score, and it looks like there's maybe comments as well. So this icon is a rubric. Not all assignments have a rubric, but many of them do. If you click on that, you can see how the assignment is being graded and what points you have received for that assignment. There may be some comments on the rubric, or there may be other comments. Let's click on this to see. Oh, over here, great start. I'll give you some feedback back. Please make these changes. Be sure to respond to it. Oh, okay. So my teacher gave me some feedback. I'm not sure what all this is for. So if I go over here, this is the lesson or assignment or quiz or discussion that she is telling me about. Okay, this is what I wrote as the student, and this is what Tanya wrote, my teacher. And so what I need to do is try to follow the directions that my teacher is giving me. And she says, go back to your post and make changes. Well, to make changes, you have to go back to the original assignment. And you need to find yourself. And these 3 dots here give you other actions that you can do for your post. So I want to edit it. And what that means is I can change my original post. You could quote. So here, if I push the quote, that means that I keep my original reply in the same thread. That's okay. But really, for this class, you just need to edit. And what I can do is if I see my teacher tells me, oh, I need to write more, I can add more here. Or maybe I had a grammar mistake and I can make that mistake and I can push save. So that is a way that you can update, revise, edit your, if it's on a discussion board assignment. Okay. And you can resubmit assignment, all of those things. And now your teacher, that's me, Tanya, will be able to see your updates. So that is how you would use grades to be able to see how your teacher is communicating with you. If you don't understand what your teacher has said, you can use that comment box to also write back and say, could you explain more what I am supposed to do? And I do want to say it's really important when you're in any course that's fully online is that you always go step by step. So you should start on this assignment. When you finish that, you go to the next, and then you go to the next. If you start with the discussion boards or the quizzes, you're not really learning. You're not really developing your grammar understanding. And it's possible that you're making me do a lot of work because I'm trying to understand what you have submitted to me. All right. So excellent work so far. If you're feeling like you're behind in the class, please just start where you are and continue. Um, I you I do recommend that you do not skip ahead, that you just start where you are and go step by step. All right. Take care, stay warm, and be careful of any ice out there. I will see you soon.